To change the battery in our GC3 panel, we're first going to use our small to medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the panel from the bottom. Once the screw has been removed, we're then going to pry the panel off the cover by pulling from the bottom two corners. Use the hands-free hold-up latch in order to hold the panel up for us. The battery is located here. Carefully pull up on the battery cord to unplug it. To take the battery out of its slot, we're going to slide it to the left, and then we're going to pull it up. Now it's important to note that the head of the battery cord has a slant on one of the edges. This is important because it fits a certain way in the battery slot on the panel. To put in the battery, start by having the cord on the top of the battery. Slide it in on the left side at a slight angle to get it over the tab. It should look something like this. From here, we're then going to plug in the battery, making sure we plug it in the proper way. Once plugged in, we're then going to take this little metal part and kind of shove it into the side so that way it's out of the way. Once again, it should look something like this when you're all finished. Once we're done, we're then going to go ahead and remove the latch and reline the cover back on the panel, starting with the top edge first, pressing down into the bottom left and right corners with equal pressure. Use our small to medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver to screw in the screw at the bottom of the panel. Once we finish, our job here is done.